Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can hide Instagram app in VIVO. So in order to, conceal or pretty much make the Instagram app inaccessible through home screen, app drawer or search, you will need to launch settings, then go for the security category, onwards tap at the privacy and app encryption, then set up the privacy password, then answer the security questions. Do not write the gibberish the way I do, since those security questions is an important backup way to recover and reset the security password in case you will forget it, but I will not forget mine for sure, so I'll just skip those questions. Then go into the app hiding menu, find the Instagram app on your phone, and I'm afraid I do not have it. So let me quickly download the Instagram from the Play Store then. So finally the Instagram app was installed. So let's get back to the app hiding menu and hide the Instagram app at last. So here is the list of apps, here's the Instagram, so let's hide it. And now it is hidden, it is not displayed at the home screen, I will not be able to find it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.